Okay, as you can see, my fan, my TV is turned on, my exhaust fan is turned on as well, and I have a door sensor that will switch the fans. The bottom fan as well will turn off, the bottom fan, and once I open this door, all my gadgets will turn off. So let's open up the door and see my fan, my exhaust fan, my bottom fan, my TV will be switched off. Right, so that's when I go out of the room to save electricity. So when I close the door, the motion sensor trigger the power on for all the devices, but it didn't trigger the, what I call that, turning on the remote control of the TV, the fan, because of different kind of application. One is using the smart life, the other one is SwitchBot. So I've purchased NFC tag, and then trigger using an NFC tag. Press on the trigger and you'll turn on my fans, my TV, the bottom fans, and I triggered changing the speed of my fan and triggering the turning of left and right swing. I can use this every time I come in when all the power is turned on back when I close the door. Yeah.